Morning Medicos. Let's try to understand the difference between a continuous murmur and a systolic diastolic murmur. A continuous murmur is produced when there is a pressure difference between the cardiac chambers during the systole and the diastole. And second most important point is that it always follows the same direction and has the same channel. For example, in PDA, a murmur starts from S1, continues to the systole, envelops the S2 and continues till the diastole. How it is different from systolic diastolic murmur? It has two components, systolic component and diastolic component, but it has two different channels and two different directions. For example, in VSD with aortic regurgitation, during the systole, due to the ventricular septal defect, there is a murmur produced. It will not envelop the second heart sound, and as the diastole starts, due to the aortic regurgitation component, a diastolic murmur is also produced. So it has two components, a diastolic component, a systolic component, but it will not envelop the S2 sound, and it has two different channels and two different directions.